what's up? Right now we're gonna make my birthday cake. Tomorrow is my birthday and I wanted to make my cake this year because why not? Yeah, it should be fun, so let's get started. I haven't done a baking with me in a really long time, but I was saving it for this. Actually, I bake a lot though, so I'm hoping I have enough skills for this. So if you don't know, I'm turning 15, which is scary. You know what the worst part is? I thought I would have like a lot of friends and I would throw a huge party and it would be like a big thing. Well, here I am, the day before my birthday, baking myself my own cake. So that really goes to show where I'm at in life right now. But it's fine. I'm having a pretty good time, honestly. Like, baking is one of my favorite things to do, so this is basically a treat for me. Salt. I don't really, it says half teaspoon. I'm just gonna like, I'm like a professional and I whip my egg whites even when they say not to because then it's much more fluffy. This is like the worst thing to mix it with, but you know what? I'm gonna mix it with it anyway. Okay, this is becoming a gross slop. This is disgusting. Stiff peaks. Ooh, okay, it actually kind of worked. Cake is kind of an underrated dessert. Like, everyone likes chocolate chip cookies, but I don't think anyone ever says cake when people say, what's your favorite dessert? I personally really like cake. It can kind of, it depends though. Like, icing is kind of gross. I think we're gonna combine this gross slop with the dry ingredients. You're probably supposed to do that gradually. I'm just gonna throw it all in. Let's put water. It says the batter will be pretty runny, so. No. Don't do that. This is the egg white. This batter got so fluffy, I'm kind of proud. We're gonna pour this batter in. Okay, time to put them in the oven. So now I want to make a pastry cream because I love pastry cream. I'm obsessed. Every time it's in a dessert, I cannot stop eating it. So I thought it would be a good kind of filling, like with the fruits. Problem is, I have no idea how to make it and if I'm gonna make enough or if I'm gonna make too much. So we'll see. I feel really ashamed. Okay, I was getting an egg for the pastry cream and it rolled off the counter. Oh my god, I am about to cry. I hate myself for that. Okay, so let's make pastry cream. I just want to make a little bit, so hopefully like me dividing the measurements in my head is gonna be accurate. I don't know how good I am at math, so we're gonna see. I feel like this is where it's all gonna just go downhill. I mean, it already has, but like this pastry cream is just like already looking not promising. I'm kind of proud. It was a mush, it was a sugar scrub, and now it's a liquid like I think it's supposed to be. Look at that. It's kind of working. Like, it looks kind of like pastry cream almost. I have to add milk still, but either I made really thick pastry cream or I might have just scrambled eggs. Either way, I think it looks pretty good, honestly. I kind of left the heat on accidentally and this leftover stuff kind of is charring. Okay, so in all that time that I was using making the pastry cream, the cakes I think are almost done. Oh my god. So this is what they look like and they look really good. I'm kind of proud. So I'm gonna let these chill and then I'll see you all tomorrow when I frost the cake. So today's my birthday and I'm going to be putting the custard on the cake with the berries. So these are the cakes I made yesterday. I'm just gonna level them off so then they're flat, kind of. I mean, it's sort of level. This is like the best I could do. So this is the custard from yesterday. It kind of looks gross, but trust me, I feel like in real life it looks better. I'm gonna cut some berries and then put them on the inside and then stack it. So I attempted to decorate, and I don't know if it really went well, but
I put berries in the middle, and then I'm gonna put the candles there. And then, yeah, I mean, I think it looks not bad.
so this is how my cake turned out. I'm gonna show you guys.
Not gonna lie, I am like really proud. This kind of looks like something, I mean, it looks homemade, like it's not perfect, but I'm pretty proud.
I've loved baking recently, and so to be able to make my cake has been like kind of my dream in a way. Yeah, it was kind of nice to make my cake instead of just buying it. I feel like it's more special or something. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so I'm 15 now. I don't really know how to feel. I'll let you know in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go eat this cake with my family now, and yeah, I will see you all next time. I hope you'll join me in the next video. Okay, I think that's it. I'm 15. Okay, bye.